Tired of foggy mirrors, lingering odors, and excess moisture in your bathroom? A powerful bathroom exhaust fan can make a huge difference in comfort, air quality, and mold prevention. In this video, we're breaking down the best bathroom exhaust fans based on airflow, noise level, energy efficiency, and installation ease to help you choose the right one for your space. You'll find all the links to the best deals in the description below. Let's get started. Panasonic WhisperFit Bathroom Exhaust Fan. Engineered for powerful yet whisper-quiet performance. This ventilation fan uses a DC ECM motor paired with SmartFlow technology to maintain consistent airflow even in challenging duct conditions. Homeowners love how quiet it operates, producing only 0.8 zones, making it ideal for bathrooms, laundry rooms, and utility spaces. The Pick-a-Flow selector lets users switch between 50, 80, or 110 CFM, ensuring the right amount of ventilation for different room sizes without replacing the entire fan. Installation is simplified through the FlexZ Fast Bracket, which allows flexible positioning in tight spaces. Its ultra-slim 5.6-inch housing fits easily into 2x6 joists, making retrofits much easier than most fans in its class. Build quality is reliable, leveraging durable plastic housing that resists corrosion and maintains structural integrity over years of use. Many users appreciate the low energy consumption backed by ENERGY STAR certification, reducing electricity costs while improving indoor air quality. Its consistent ability to reduce humidity, steam, and odors makes it a favorite among homeowners upgrading older systems. User reviews frequently highlight its quietness, ease of installation, and strong airflow as standout advantages, making it a dependable long-term ventilation solution. Broan-NuTone 80 CFM Bathroom Exhaust Fan. Designed for efficient moisture and odor removal, this ENERGY STAR certified bath fan offers an excellent balance of airflow and quiet operation, running at only 1.5 zones. Homeowners appreciate how it provides just enough sound to confirm it's working without disturbing the room's atmosphere. Its 80 CFM airflow makes it ideal for bathrooms up to 75 square feet, preventing fogged mirrors and lingering humidity. Installation is one of its strongest features, thanks to the room-side, no-cut design that eliminates the need for attic access. The patented slide clip mechanism allows quick attachment of the grill, simplifying cleaning and maintenance. Build quality centers around a lightweight plastic housing that remains durable over time while reducing vibration noise. Users frequently praise its modern clean cover grill, which blends seamlessly with ceilings for an updated look. Energy efficiency is another standout benefit, reducing power consumption by nearly 50% compared to older models. Many buyers also highlight the value it provides for the price, especially for DIY installations and builder-grade bathroom upgrades. The fan performs reliably, offering consistent ventilation in smaller bathrooms. Its compact dimensions, ease of mounting, and simple controls make it a popular choice for both renovations and new construction. Amico Bathroom Exhaust Fan. Built for effective steam and moisture removal, this exhaust fan delivers 80 CFM airflow, suitable for bathrooms up to 80 square feet. Its 1.0 zone noise level keeps operation quiet and unobtrusive, a feature many homeowners mention positively in reviews. The compact metal and polycarbonate housing provides durability while staying lightweight, and the aluminum finish enhances resistance to rust and wear. Installation is user-friendly, supported by included mounting brackets that allow it to be secured between ceiling joists or screwed directly into place. With a housing size of 7.5 by 7.2 by 4 inches, it fits easily into most standard ceiling cutouts, making it ideal for replacements or remodels. Users appreciate the smooth airflow, which efficiently prevents dampness, stale air, and mirror fogging. The fan maintains stable performance due to its UL-certified components and secure motor assembly, ensuring long-term reliability. Many customers also note the value offered at its price point, praising its quiet operation and sturdy construction. This model's straightforward design and dependable operation make it appealing for those seeking a simple but effective exhaust solution. With a 4-inch duct outlet and energy-efficient performance, it consistently delivers clean, refreshed air in small to medium-sized bathrooms. Broan-NuTone BEL8 Bathroom Exhaust Fan with LED. Combining ventilation and lighting, this bathroom fan offers a dual-purpose upgrade ideal for modern bathrooms. Its integrated LED panel provides bright, long-lasting illumination rated for 50,000 hours, delivering a neutral 3,500 Kelvin color temperature that complements most interiors. The fan operates at 80 CFM, efficiently removing moisture in bathrooms up to 75 square feet while maintaining a quiet 1.5 zone sound level. A standout feature is its room-side, no-cut installation, which allows replacement of older fans without drywall modifications. The slide clip grill mechanism ensures easy cleaning and secure attachment, while the clean cover design offers a smooth, modern aesthetic. Build quality focuses on durable plastic material that resists dust accumulation and enhances long-term airflow reliability. Users frequently praise the brightness of the LED light and the simplicity of installation, especially for DIY projects. The energy efficiency, backed by ENERGY STAR certification, is another strong point mentioned in reviews. Homeowners also appreciate the balanced airflow performance, which noticeably reduces fog and humidity after showers. For those upgrading bathrooms with poor lighting or inadequate ventilation, this model delivers excellent overall value. Its combination of quiet operation, modern styling, and reliable performance makes it a practical and attractive improvement for everyday use. Gopper 12-inch Ultra Quiet Bathroom Fan. Designed for larger bathrooms or multi-purpose rooms, this ventilation fan offers powerful 141 CFM airflow, making it effective for areas up to 100 square feet. Its 1.0 zone noise rating keeps operation pleasantly quiet despite the strong performance. The integrated 12-inch LED panel produces bright, cool white 6,500 Kelvin lighting, providing both functional ventilation and clear room illumination. Build quality includes a combination of metal and plastic components, creating a sturdy yet lightweight structure. The white grille design enhances visual appeal, blending cleanly into ceilings for a modern finish. Users consistently mention the attractive appearance and bright lighting as standout features. Before installation, the manufacturer provides clear dimension guidelines to ensure proper fitment: an 11.8-inch panel size, 9.6-inch mounting hole, and 4-inch duct diameter. These specs make it suitable for renovations where a larger ceiling fan is preferred. Centrifugal impellers enhance performance by reducing noise and improving airflow stability. Customers appreciate how well this model clears steam, keeping mirrors fog-free after showers. Many reviews highlight its reliability and the company's strong customer support, including lifetime service assurance. For homeowners seeking strong ventilation paired with efficient lighting, this fan offers an excellent combination of performance, quietness, and style. Broan-NuTone 50C FM Bathroom Exhaust Fan. Optimized for smaller bathrooms and powder rooms, this compact exhaust fan provides 50C FM airflow, effectively reducing moisture, odors, and stale air in rooms up to 45 square feet. Its 2.0 zone noise rating offers moderate quietness while ensuring reliable operation. This model is ENERGY STAR certified, helping reduce electricity usage without sacrificing performance. Installation is simplified with foldable mounting brackets that enable no-cut installation, making it suitable for spaces with limited attic access. The lightweight plastic housing paired with a removable motor assembly ensures easy maintenance and long-term serviceability. The painted white grille offers a clean, modern look that blends smoothly with ceiling finishes. Users appreciate its dependable ventilation and straightforward setup, especially when replacing older fans with similar housing dimensions. Many note that despite its small size, it performs noticeably well in reducing humidity after showers. The fan's durable components, including a galvanized steel housing, ensure stability and reduced vibration. This unit is especially favored for secondary bathrooms, half baths, and compact layouts where high airflow is unnecessary. Of affordability, efficiency, and reliable build quality, it remains a popular choice among homeowners and DIY installers looking for an uncomplicated ventilation upgrade. Kaze Appliance Bathroom Extractor Fan. Recognized for its excellent value, this extractor fan delivers strong ventilation at 100 CFM, while maintaining ultra-quiet operation at just 0.8 zones. Many users comment that it's so quiet they often forget it's running, making it ideal for bathrooms where noise reduction is important. The fan is engineered to fit standard 9x9-inch openings, allowing installation without attic access, a major advantage for remodeling projects. Build quality is robust, featuring alloy steel construction and a durable painted finish. The detachable 4-inch polymeric duct with a backdraft prevention damper improves efficiency and protects against outside airflow. Installation is straightforward, though minor ceiling adjustments may be needed when replacing differently sized fans. Customer impressions are strongly positive, especially noting its performance in controlling moisture, eliminating odors, and improving overall air circulation. It's frequently praised for offering premium-level quietness and airflow at an accessible price point. The model also earned high ratings from Consumer Reports, reinforcing its reliability. This extractor fan is well-suited for medium-sized bathrooms up to 100 square feet, delivering consistent, effective ventilation. For homeowners wanting strong airflow, low noise, and dependable construction without complicated installation requirements, it stands out as a top-performing option. That wraps up our picks for the best bathroom exhaust fans. Check the links in the description below for pricing and details, and choose the right fan to keep your bathroom fresh and moisture-free.